Okay, you've been wondering what is crypto. Let's talk about what crypto is for beginners. Now, crypto is a digital currency and it doesn't exist in physical form, just like your dollar, your naira, your Japan yen, and all of this. Those ones are called fiat currency. So, crypto is digital and is created with computer code, computer algorithm. Now, you'll be wondering why it's so special or why people are talking about it, and that's because it solves a lot of problems in the society. It solves problems of inflation problem. Before now, like the digital currency or naira, you could always print as much as possible, but crypto has a limited supply the moment it's created. Just like the Bitcoin is just 21 million since inception, and there's never going to be any additional Bitcoin that we added to the chain. Okay, so it just 21 million. So the more people come in, the more the value increases. So here's another special thing about crypto. It uses a public distributed ledger where everything is made public. There's no hidden transaction. So you could actually view every transaction on the blockchain. Okay, even though everyone have their separate private key to access their money, you could actually see their activities on the blockchain, which makes it transparent. So it's not like a platform where the government can come manipulate, add their own, or it's not like that. Okay, so here's another thing. Crypto solved the problem of moving money around the world. Okay, yeah. Before now, you need Western Union and you need to go through varieties of procedures, and then it costs a lot of money to send money around the world. When it's in a bulk form, you need to spend more money, and then there is a lot of more. It's just a bulky process. Okay, but crypto solves that problem. You can send millions of dollars from your wallet to another wallet of someone that's living in another geographical area in less than 1 minute, and it can cost as little as $1 or even less. Or in most cases, if you're using platform like exchanges, it's almost free of charge. So here is one big question. This one big question is, what do you stand to gain in crypto? There are a lot of things that you stand to gain, unlike the traditional finance where a whole lot of things is restricted in crypto. So, like I said, there are so many to make money in crypto, just mention the list, and that's why it's becoming the talk of the town. And some of these ways are spot trading, where you buy low and sell high on centralized or decentralized exchanges; future derivative trading, where you leverage or long or short position on platforms like Binance or Bybit or any other exchange; then scalping or day trading, so you can day trade, fast-paced, small profit trade throughout the day. Then you can also conduct arbitrage, and that's profiting from price difference across exchanges or different chains. You can do that. Then another thing you can do is which is the first thing that crypto actually started out with, is buying and holding for a long term. And you can buy some quality asset, coin tokens like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Arbitrum, Solana, and all of that. Then you can participate in pre-sales, IDOs, IEOs. You get early on promising project before they launch. Then NFT investing, buy utility or purchase signature NFT, and then resell them at a higher value later. The other passive income opportunity include staking, lock tokens to a secure network and earn rewards; yield farming, providing liquidity to DeFi protocols and earn fees reward; lending and borrowing protocol, you can actually lend your asset to a protocol such as a protocol compound for an interest, and then you can as well borrow against your lended asset. So you can run nodes, support the blockchain network, and earn native tokens. Then you can also participate in airdrops with even zero balance. You can start earning in crypto. You can start content creation like YouTube, Twitter, that's X, subtract, build an audience, and monetize with promos and alphas. community management. You can get paid based on jobs like managing community for coins, like Telegram, Twitter accounts, Discord, and so on. So you can also participate in bug bounties, auditing, and other Web3 job and freelancing includes contributing to DAO, then crypto freelancing like designing, marketing services, and then other things, affiliate marketing. Then apart from that, there are other games in crypto that you can play. You can play games to earn. You can participate in incentive programs just by engaging with the crypto or the chain. You can, actually tokenize real world assets. You can invest in real estate, stocks, or commodities via the blockchain. So these are many other ways one can earn money from cryptocurrency. So how can you start this cryptocurrency thing? You can start by registering a wallet. You could either download Trust Wallet, then register an exchange. You can use the link in my bio. I'll give you a list of exchanges that are legitimate, and then you register an account for yourself, and then you start trading. Just keep following my videos for more tips. Like and subscribe.